how to get a refund on missing food on DoorDash. Here's how it works. Load up the DoorDash app, then you want to click on your profile icon at the top, the one that I've highlighted. Once you click on it, then you will need to go into orders. So select orders. Again, I've highlighted it. And here you should see all of your orders, and you need to select the one which is missing food. If you don't see it here, another option is going to be clicking on settings, then going into get help here right above gift card. And again, you will need to select the order which is missing food. Then you will select report missing items. Just follow the prompts to submit details and request your refund, or the other option is going to be receiving credit to your app. I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.